Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What's going on? I hope you guys are all doing great. You guys are all safe, healthy, and blessed. Anyway, update on project M733. Like I said in the previous video, I wanted to, paint a few things. And the first one I was going to do was the M733 pistol, right? I wanted to keep the other two anodized black, leave those alone, keep them the way they are, and then later down the line, SBR the third M733. So anyway, I finished the pistol tonight. I started around 5 or 6-ish, and I just finished about 30 minutes ago, maybe 45 minutes ago. I stripped everything down, took everything apart. I know a lot of guys just keep their rifles assembled and they just paint everything. I'd rather not do that. I'd rather just paint the upper, lower, the whatever rear attachment, stabilizing brace or whatever, stock, and handguards. That's just me. I like the contrast of the original factory finish of the metal parts and, like the bolt release, the selector switch, the barrel, the collar, right? The handguard retaining collar, that kind of stuff. I like to leave those original. Anyway, I finished it and I used the Rapco khaki olive. And here it is, guys, the M733 pistol. There it is, all done. You see what I'm talking about? How, factory finish, factory finish, factory finish, factory finish, factory finish here, factory finish there. Of course, I keep the optic factory also in case I want to sell it down the line. So it maintains resale value, right? And then the little locking bolt here on the blade, stabilizing blade, and of course the buffer tube. I keep those factory because it just looks good. It looks clean. It looks professional. That's why I do it. Okay. But yeah, pretty awesome, guys. Pretty awesome. Loving it. I would say this khaki olive reminds me of the IDF uniform, right? You guys have seen that overseas there. That's what this color reminds me of. So really nice. Really happy with the way this came out. There are a couple spots that I have to fix, but I'm not too worried about. I didn't cover this one area right behind the collar. It's hard to notice, but it's right there. I can remove that with a Q-tip and some paint thinner and just clean that up. There's one spot here next to the bolt release that I didn't get to. Actually, some painter's tape was covering that spot up, so really can't notice because it looks like it's a shadow. But yeah, I had to disassemble everything, and then certain parts I didn't want to disassemble the rear sight because that's just, I'd rather not. I just covered up the larger dial here. The screw on this side, I just went ahead and painted over, but that's a nice contrast right there. Again, it just makes everything look more professional, looks clean. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to share that with you. Rapco khaki olive M733 pistol. There it is. Pretty awesome. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and post down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Be safe out there, and God bless you all, and God have mercy on us all.